Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today we're going to be unboxing the month of February's mystery tackle box for ice fishing. I've been really into these lures for the past 3 months now. This is my third month. It's $16 a month. It's free shipping. They send you between 5 to 7 lures, and then they give you a tip book that you can go through and actually learn how to fish and stuff. So if you guys are interested in this box, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything like that. I just really like their stuff. But I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I'm using my knife here. And we're just gonna pop it open. Alright. So on every box, the outside of it looks like this. It's got a little ruler, and goodness, I got a hair in my mouth. There's a little ruler here, and it's a little contest that they have. Where if you catch a fish that's bigger than the marks that they've got for panfish, it says 6 inches, trout 12, bass 14, then walleye 16, and then everything else has to be over 18 to put on this ruler. But that's a pretty cool contest. They put it up, and then you can win prizes and stuff, so it's pretty neat. And then in every box you get, oh, this is new. Okay, this is way new from last time. So they actually added a card in this box, and then you get a Dibble Digest. The card tells you what exactly is in the box, whereas the Dibble Digest, it's like a magazine that gives you tips. This month they added some puzzles, like a little word search, it looks like. They have fluorocarbon versus monofilament, so which is better, pros and cons. Do colors matter for ice fishing? So that's cool. And then there's like a little, I'm building an entourage. I don't know what that is, I'll have to read up on that, but yeah, cool little magazine it comes with. Let's go ahead and get right into what's exactly in this box. We've got Tundra Tackle Co-Lighted Firefly. Let's see here. Here it is. This actually looks pretty weird. Here's what it looks like. This retails for $7.95. Go ahead and just dig into this. I'm curious to see what this looks like. So, it's a little jigging spoon. You can see there. You jig it up and down in the water column. And I think it lights up. Yeah, it does. So when it hits night, it lights up and glows, so you can jig that in the water column. That'd be great for walleye. Walleye love glow-in-the-dark lures. Heck, I bet you this would even work if you just tipped it with some wax worms. Big panfishes to come up and eat this. That is very cool. Very neat. How did I get it? There it goes. You have to just cover up a certain spot. There must be like a mini solar panel in there or something. But yeah, that's very cool. Yeah, let's see what else is in the box. So, the only reason why this was working is because I have clammy fingers. Very clammy hands. Like, literally, I'm just touching it, and it's going off, right? Watch, Kira's fingers are gonna touch it. It won't go off at all. Now watch, she's gonna lick her finger. Okay, yeah, and then it works. So it only works underwater. In wet conditions, I'm just very clammy. See, it kind of works on this finger. This finger is like, you know, going off like crazy. Yeah, so up next in the box is Kender's Outdoors Tungsten Jigs. Here they are. Kender's Tungsten. I'm just gonna take these out of the container. Looks like just some new teardrop jigs. A little bit smaller in profile and a bit of a different color. Two different colors. So here's what they look like. One of them's got green with a little bit of orange on there, so that would kind of represent like maybe a little bait fish or something. This one's like purplish with a little bit of white and some orange. So that's something new to add to my tackle box. I haven't added any purple yet, so but very cool. And some sharp hooks. I'm gonna get a great hookup ratio with these, but very cool. And that retails for $5.90. And then up next we've got some Sitka ice jigs. These are also tungstens, just like the other ones. But here's what the package looks like. I've seen Sitka stuff at Walmart, Cabela's, and that sort of thing. And they're not too bad. They've got really sharp hooks. 3 of the same color here. Just gonna show you guys. I think I can get them lined up in my hand for you. There's those. They're flat on the bottom. They're orange. They got a little bit of eyes there. So those are very cool. Those I feel like are gonna catch quite a bit of panfish, definitely. Yeah, for sure. Set those to the side. Kind of happy I'm getting some new tungstens for sure. Let's see what else is up in the box. Up next is Blitz Lures Blitz Blade. This retails for $4.30. The Sitka ice jigs, that retails for $4.50, if I forgot to mention. But here's the Blitz Blade. This is a blade bait. I could work this in open water too, which is very cool. Let's take this out of the box and show you guys. This would be great for bass. I bet you I could tie this on for walleye at Sheridan. Ooh, that'd be awesome. But here's what that looks like. It's pretty big there. So pretty much what that's going to do is as you jig it up and down in the water column, it's going to vibrate a whole bunch, and it's bright silver, so that's perfect for my area. It's just silver. Yeah, perfect. It's going to create a lot of flash, especially with this UV flashing on the back of it here. That, and it's weighted right here in the front, so that's very cool. But what you do is when you throw it in the hole, you're just gonna pop it up as like rip it up, because it's gonna vibrate like crazy going up, but then you're gonna let it flutter back down. And you normally, when you chase it up, a fish will come up, and the minute you let it go and it starts fluttering, it'll come down and pick it up. And then you'll notice your line stops, or your line just goes really slack, and then you just reel up and catch up to it and set the hook. It's got some really sharp trebles on there. So I feel like this might be a new favorite I'm going to be adding to the tackle box for sure. So, and then the last thing in the box is Arnold Slotted Floats. This retails for $2.99. And I think this is if you have another rod in the water. You could just set this up. These look pretty simple. You stick your line in this little slit here. It's made of styrofoam. And then when you get your line in there, you just pop that in there and it holds your line in place. And then while it's in the water, you can watch your line when you've got a bunch of line out. Like you can drop your lure in the hole, open up the bail, so then you can sit there and just watch the float whenever it goes down, and you can strip a little bit of line from your bail so that the fish has a chance to run with it. But this is a great ice fishing float, and it came with an orange one and a green one here. So it's very cool, very cool. And so this is usually my most favorite part of the box. It's the sticker. This one says Happy Fishing, and it's from Catchco. That's what the sticker looks like. And that is gonna go straight on my car once again. But that is an awesome sticker. I love it. So that, or heck, I might even just throw that on my ice fishing tackle box, my little ice fishing tungsten box. So that's very cool. That or my car. I'm not sure. I have so many places to put stickers. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. I really will appreciate that. If you want to leave a comment, I'd love to hear from you guys. It keeps me motivated through the winter time. Definitely. I do stuff like this once a week, whether it be fishing, hiking, outdoors, camping, unboxings as you just saw, anything like that. If you're interested in that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Love to have you guys a part of my community, and as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in the next video.